Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln(s). Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to the s over s. This one we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. The integration of secant of u square, you got about tan s over 2. Tan u over 2. And we put about c. About u, that's about ln(s). This is the end. Thank you for watching.